everyone. Where is this course? Northwest England, actually in Formby, near Southport. That's where we're staying. This is the first leg of a 10-day trip I'm making with my dad. He's never played in England before. And first stop right off the plane, Formby Ladies Club.
Very tight, a lot of heather, very small greens, and quite protected. It's a good test of golf.
Accuracy, very much accuracy.
Yeah.
And it's obviously a place you can't just go whale on driver. You got to strategically think your way around. The fairways kind of sit at angles, so you can't just pound it on a certain line. Number 2, what's the history of this club? It was built in 1896.
It's very unique as we're the only ladies golf club in England, Scotland, Ireland and Wales.
Formby Golf Club right next door is men's only club. Women are allowed to play there, but there are no women members. It's as the same as there's no male members here at the ladies club. So they built a ladies course for them 2 years right after the big club opened up, and it stands today. It's a wonderful test for men and women. It's called the ladies club, but it is not meant just for ladies.
The ladies can play the men's course and the men can play the ladies course. Works really well. We play mixed competitions, so we've got the best of both worlds.
All right, there's about 5 par 4s, I think, that are under 300 yards. Longest par 5 is 433 yards. They said leave the driver at home. We'll see how long that actually lasts. Number 3, what did I think of this course? I think a lot of people would probably skip it just because it's called Ladies Club. That would be a huge mistake. It's a different challenge. It is so much fun. I mean, I know it's kind of like compared to our Kilspindie when we went to Scotland, 5,500 yards. This is about 5,300 yards. It just tests all the clubs in your bag. I hit so many long irons today, way more long irons than I hit in a normal round of golf. I hit maybe 3 drivers. You can really get yourself into trouble. Just way more thinking goes into this course than a normal round of golf. And there's so much little nuance to it. Just because it's 270 yards doesn't mean it's simple.
I think a lot of men think because it's a ladies course, it might be a very easy course. On the contrary, because it's narrow and you've got narrower fairways, it's quite a difficult course.
Last piece of advice for me before I go out there, what is it?
Don't take your driver.
Course management, just plot your way around, position it, you'll be fine.
That doesn't usually work out for me. I try.
I think my favorite hole was the 5th hole, a little miniature par 3, their version of the postage stamp. It's got a bank on the left side. It sits beautifully in these pines. There's so many different sections of this golf course. You get these big open heathland parts, you get in some dunes, and then you also go back in some pines, just like Formby Golf Club, actually. A ton of variety that goes in it.
Hey. Got there at the same time.
Enjoyed it. Yep. What a way to start the trip, huh?
Yeah.
What I shoot today, I started 4 under through 5. I mean, it's pretty damn gettable. You get a couple downwind, short par 4s. You can drive right on the green. I ended up shooting 67, I believe, 4 under. Made a couple birdies, a couple bogeys coming in. Not great, not terrible. Felt like I really could have took it deep, but we know how that goes. I'm terrified. What I'll remember most is just wondering why more golf courses like this aren't built. I mean, it takes up less land. It's faster to play. It's more birdies. It's easier for juniors. It's more fun. I mean, this is the exact kind of course you need to mix in when you're doing some kind of golf trip.